सरस्वती श्रीवार्षभानुवी देवी द्वैताय कृपावधये कृष्ण संबंध विज्ञान दायिने प्रभवे नमः। माधुर्जल प्रेमाढ्य श्री रूपानुग भक्ति श्री गौर करुणा शक्ति विग्रहाय नमस्ते। नमस्ते गुरवाणी श्री मूर्तये दीनतारिणे श्री रूपानुग विरुद्धाप सिद्धांत दंतहारिणे नमो गौर किशोराय साक्षाद वैराग्यमूर्तये विप्रलम्बर सांबोधे पादाम्बुजयते नमो भक्ति विनोदाय सच्चिदानंद नामिने गौरशक्ति स्वरूपाय रूपानुगराय गौराविर्भाव भूमिस्तां निर्दिष्ट सजनाप्रिय वैष्णव सर्वभूमि जगन्नाथ वंशाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यो च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौरवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 संसार न कृष्ण हईते ब्रह्मा
Baby
সবার চরণ নীলাচলবাসী যত মহাপ্রভুর গণ ভূমিতে পড়িয়া বন্দন সবার চরণ নবদ্বীপবাসী যত মহাপ্রভুর ভক্ত সবার চরণ বন্দন হইয়া অনুরক্ত মহাপ্রভুর ভক্ত যত পুরা দেশে স্থিতি
Krishna Deva Bhavantu Mandavan.
Krishna Deva Bhavantavande, Krishna Deva Bhavantavande, Krishna Deva Bhavantavande, Krishna Deva Bhavantavande, Mana Manasa Madhukara, Marpaya Nija Pada, Manasa Madhukara, Marpaya Nija Pada, Pankaja Makara, Krishna Deva Bhavantavande, Krishna Deva Bhavantavande, Japi Shamani Shumidira Pipasati, Japi Shamani Shumidira Pipasati, Natramana Pagramari.
याद नहीं करे हाँ? You have to remember the song. What song you sing, have to commit of memory. position. Position. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Rayamanda,
Kalaitinaya.
Kalaritina. Gopinath ki jai.
Jai.
Gopinath Padas. Gopinath has
Sing.
come to bring all to you.
I just brings take some pots.
What?
Yes.
Okay. If he will not go, he will take on Gada.
Alguém vai abrir a porta lá para ele.
If we don't go to his house, Gurudev,
Huh?
if we don't go to his house,
If you don't go his house,
then he'll take Gada.
then take Gada.
He will-
Hey, go. Bhimji. Durvasa is a disciple.
60,000.
Kalayatina, Kirtan. Huh? Oi. Huh?
Right.
He's singing.
He's saying.
He can't.
Não gosto. Não. Cadê o Bruno? Tem um livro aí?
Sim. 3, 5, 7. 3, 4, 2.
3, 4, 2 no livro. Tá aí. Aí, meu senhor, eu tenho que pegar no livro.
He has no glasses.
No
Não,
glasses.
vou pegar na óculos. Aqui na rádio tocou Tiago Sakura, às 8 horas da manhã, a pedido do meu ouvinte. Calete,
So where is he going?
Pick up his glasses.
Foi.
eu faço qualquer coisa para você fazer os assinados. Até sem óculos eu enxergo. Vamos lá.
Você pode ver.
Kalaya Chinayanam Isi Jisi Valitam Pankajai Validu Maruta Charidam Kalaya Tinayana
There are many devotees here. Or when do kirtan, that time, forget.
Mohat, yes.
Huh? Okay. Itwala, what is the significance of Ratha Yatra? And what is the mood of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu?
Amagyanatimidandasya Gyanam Shalakaya
The mic.
Chakshore Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
Mic.
Acho que o microfone. Cuida do pedido do microfone.
I mean, without mic, yours
Yes, yes.
strong.
Pega só a caixa e microfone com cabo. Magyanatimidandasya Gyanam Shalakaya Chakshore Militam Jena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Namo Vishnu Padaya Gaura Prastaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Vanaiti Namine Gora Chandraya Radhikaya Tadalaya Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Tada Bhaktaya Namo Namaha Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vasati Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Então, primeiramente, gostaria de oferecer as minhas reverências aos pés de Lótus Shri Guru Pada Padma, Vishnu Pada Paramahansa Parivraj Vidara Sutra Satyashimati Bhaktivedanta Vana Goswami Maharaj, a todo o nosso Gaudiya Panuga Guru Varga, a todos os Vaishnavas e Vaishnavis. Shri Gurudev pediu para que eu pudesse me lembrar do próprio benefício do Harikatha a respeito do Ratha Yatra, o significado de Ratha Yatra e dos humores de Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Satyanandana Gaura Hari. Então, a gente ouviu de Srila Gurudeva como Ratha Yatra, na verdade, é um festival que ele já ocorre desde Satyayuga, mas quando Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ele aparece aqui nessa terra, como diz esse verso, Anapita Charinchirat Karanayavatinahar Kalu, esse verso ele está dizendo, na verdade, como Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ele veio trazer algo muito especial. E ele demonstrou isso em diversos momentos da sua vida, mas principalmente ele demonstrou isso através do Festival de Ratha Yatra. No dia anterior ao Festival de Ratha Yatra, a gente é conhecido como um dia de Gunditya Marjan, que é a limpeza do templo de Gunditya. Então, naquele momento, Srila Gurudeva explica que, embora externamente a atividade que estivesse acontecendo no templo de Gunditya fosse a mesma que acontecia todos os anos, mas um sentimento novo estava presente ali. Porque Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, ele estava ali dentro e ele estava limpando, mas o que por dentro estava acontecendo do coração de Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Na verdade, quando Krishna ele sai de Vrindavan, embora ele nunca saia, mas de acordo com o passo-tempo, ele sai de Vrindavan, ele vai para Mathura e depois ele vai para Dwarka. Então a razão pela qual os Brajavasis eles vivem, ela deixa de existir, que é Krishna. Naquele momento, Krishna fora de Vrindavan faz com que Vrindavan não tenha mais vida. Ou seja, Mãe Yashoda não tem mais desejo de cozinhar. Shrimati Radhika, as Sakis, as Gopis, elas não têm mais desejo de decorar, de servir, nada. Então Shrimati Radhika, ela cai numa condição onde o coração dela está assim como se estivesse prestes a parar, né? E ela está completamente desfalecida. Mas de repente alguém chega e diz, Radhe, Krishna ele está voltando para Vrindavan. Krishna ele está voltando. E naquele momento no coração de Shrimati Radhika, depois de muito tempo, completamente desfalecida, sem forças, porque a razão da vida dela foi embora de Vrindavan, naquele momento um entusiasmo, uma alegria vem muito forte no coração de Shrimati Radhika. Então Shrimati Radhika com todas as Sakis, elas de repente voltam à vida e falam, não, então a gente deve preparar tudo para que Krishna volte. E naquele momento, então, todas as Sakis e as Gopis, elas começam a limpar, a reorganizar o Kundya, porque o Kundya estava deixado de lado, não havia mais decoração, não havia mais flores, não havia mais porque está tudo decorado. Então, naquele momento, embora o Sr. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu estivesse limpando o templo de Gunditya, que é conhecido como Sundarachala, ou Vrindavan, na verdade, naquele momento, o próprio Krishna estava saboreando esse momento onde Shrimati Radhika, ela está de novo organizando, limpando e decorando todo o Kundya para que Krishna viesse. Então isso acontece no dia anterior do Ratha Yatra, que é o dia de Gundicha Margem da limpeza do templo. No dia seguinte, no dia do Ratha Yatra, novamente, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, ele demonstra várias vezes como, na verdade, ele estava experienciando esse humor de Shrimati Radhika e a razão pela qual ele queria manifestar esse passatempo de Ratha Yatra. Como o Srila Gurudeva estava contando ontem, neste verso, quando Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ele começou a recitar esse verso mundano, nenhuma pessoa ali era capaz de entender, porque esse verso dizia, como o Gurudeva estava explicando ontem, né? Eu estou nessa vida de casado, eu estou me encontrando com essa mesma pessoa que no passado, antes era só o meu amante, a gente não era casado. É a mesma pessoa, a gente tá, mas não tem mais aquele sentimento, aquela sensação não está mais igual. Embora a gente esteja, na verdade, embora eu esteja com ele agora, eu na verdade gostaria de estar lá às margens do rio Revati. Reva, isso. Eu queria estar às margens do rio Reva. Mas isso não é possível agora e por isso meu coração ele não está em júbilo. Então, naquele momento, duas pessoas entenderam, embora ninguém na verdade fosse capaz de entender o sentimento de Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, duas pessoas entenderam. Uma foi Swarupa Damodara e outra foi um garoto muito jovem chamado Rupa Goswami. Então, naquele momento, Rupa Goswami, ele, entendendo o humor de Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, ele compôs um verso que é muito parecido com aquilo que Chaitanya Mahaprabhu falou, mas na verdade trazendo o que estava acontecendo dentro do coração de Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. E na verdade, naquele sentimento que estava acontecendo, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, na frente de Jagannatha, na verdade, ele estava experienciando como foi Shrimati Radhika diante de Krishna. Porque Shrimati Radhika, ela falou para Sakis, Sakis, eu estou aqui em Kurukshetra, eu sou a mesma Radha, e Krishna é o mesmo Krishna, mas eu não sinto nenhuma alegria. Por quê? Porque eu sei que Krishna não está feliz aqui. Krishna ele não pode ser feliz fora de Vrindavan. Então aqui eu sou a mesma Radha, mas aqui não tem Jamuna, aqui não tem as árvores Kadamba, Tamala, aqui não há flores, aqui não há a simplicidade de Vrindavan. Na verdade aqui é o que? A opulência. Existem cavalos, existem elefantes, existem o barulho das carruagens, e Krishna não está feliz de forma alguma. Não só isso, Krishna, ele não está na sua característica de Vrindavan. Como Krishna ele é em Vrindavan? Krishna em Vrindavan ele é Nishtintata. Quer dizer que na verdade ele é livre de qualquer preocupação. Mas em Dwarka ele está com a mente completamente agitada, como se fosse um bombeiro que está sempre alerta para poder apagar fogo. Ou seja, ele está sempre alerta pensando que algum problema está acontecendo, né? Que a qualquer momento algum demônio vai vir ali, vai atacar, etc. Então, ele não está livre para que ele possa desfrutar da raça. Shrimati Radhika, ela entende isso, né? E como os Vaishnavas explicam, Shrimati Radhika, ela está pensando, eu sei como fazer Krishna feliz, né? As gopis, elas sabem como fazer Krishna feliz. Então, por isso ela quer trazer Krishna para Vrindavan, porque ela sabe que só ali ele pode ser feliz. Então, naquele momento, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, ele expressava isso. E Srila Gurudeva conta que existe um certo momento ali, onde Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, ele dançava na frente de Jagannatha, expressando esses humores. E às vezes esses humores, eles vinham tão altos, que ali todos os associados estavam em volta, né? E um desses associados, quem era? Nityananda Prabhu. E naquele momento onde Chaitanya Mahaprabhu dançava, e ele experienciava justamente isso, como ele estava trazendo Krishna então de volta para Vrindavan, para que Krishna pudesse voltar a ser feliz, como ele só pode ser lá. Então naquele momento, experienciando isso, às vezes Nityananda Prabhu, ele ficava um pouco distante, e às vezes Nityananda Prabhu ele ia e ele segurava o Sr. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Srila Gurudeva explica que isso se deve ao fato de que, na verdade, Nityananda Prabhu, em Goloka Vrindavan, ele é Ananga Manjari. Então, se Chaitanya Mahaprabhu está experienciando esse humor de Shrimati Radhika, quem é que poderia segurar Shrimati Radhika? Quem é que poderia tocar Shrimati Radhika? Somente uma Saki, uma serva, uma amiga, né? Nesse caso, Ananga Manjari. Então, naquele momento, embora tivesse acontecendo algo externo, mas Srila Rupa Goswami, ele revela pra gente, então, o que significa esse sentimento de... O que é esse Ratha Yatra? Que nada mais é, em essência, do que como, através das cordas do amor, né, nessa carruagem que representa o coração, Shrimati Radhika, que ela vai trazer Krishna para Vrindavan. Mas por que Shrimati Radhika ela quer trazer Krishna para Vrindavan? Esse é um ponto muito importante. Porque ela é egoísta, porque ela está pensando, Krishna está lá e eu estou longe dele, então eu quero que ele simplesmente venha. Não. Simplesmente pelo fato de que Shrimati Radhika ela sabe que Krishna, ele só pode ser feliz em Vrindavan. Ele não pode ser feliz em Dwarka. E o que Shrimati Radhika ela quer? A felicidade de Krishna. Então, porque ela quer a felicidade de Krishna, então ela só vê sentido se Krishna voltar de volta, né? Então, esse é um dos significados, ou os significados mais proeminentes de Ratha Yatra. Panchakalpa Tarupasya,
What time will give breakfast?
It's not offered yet. As soon as we...
No, 9:30, 7:30.
Maybe 8:30?
9:30. Okay. 1 hour. Gurave Gaurachandraya Radhikaya Tadalaya Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Tadbhaktaya Namo Vanchakaludrascha Kripa Sindhu Vaivacha Ritanam Pavane Bho Vaishvare Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Yadvaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Sri Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare.
Someone can translate him. Okay.
Alguém vai traduzir simultâneo?
Okay, Srishan
Yes, Shamarani. Good translator.
Good translator.
Yeah.
He understands everything. Okay. So, first of all, I offer my humble, respectful Dhanavad Pranam and lotus feet of Guru Padma, Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta, Sri Aman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satmad Bhakti Vedanta, Sri Narayan Goswami Maharaj, and simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dhanavad. Very nicely celebrated Ratha Yatra Maha Mahotsav, and also celebrate Hira Panchami Tithi, 5th days from New Moon. No, actually this is the wrong. 5th day from Ratha Yatra. Ratha Yatra. Generally we are saying Panchami and Panchami Tithi, but here is saying not Panchami Tithi. 5th day from Ratha Yatra. Or Jagannath Rath is going. 2nd day, Ditya. 2nd day from New Moon. That is called Ditya. So, 5th days, Ditya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, Shashti. Shashti. So, but Lakshmi Devi did not get any message. Because Jagannath, Krishna, where he is staying, his health is not good, and he went for his health recover his health, but he did not give any message. Na Baladev Prabhu or neither Subhadra. No one sent any message. For this regard, Lakshmi Devi, she become very angry. Understand? And Lakshmi Devi, she is going to search. Where is her husband? Jagannath. But she is going very, very nice, beautiful clothes, decoration, many ornaments, chewing the betel nut. Many also her servant, Das Dasi, with servant and others, and also playing different instruments. She is sitting on the very nice, beautiful palanquin. So when Mahaprabhu saw this, then Mahaprabhu laughed. What is this? Then asked, why Lakshmi Devi, she is very angry with Jagannath? Why? Because she is not qualified. And if anybody not qualified, should not angry. I don't know how to sing, how to dance, how to play instruments. So one person is singing very nicely, dancing good. So why will I angry? Why? He says, okay, you are doing very nice, good. Playing mridanga, kartal, dancing, singing. Isn't it nice? So why Lakshmi Devi, she is very angry. That time, Sarvadamodara, this is the nature of love. Nature of love, this is way. If love is two things. One is called viraha and separation and meeting. If someone loves you but not giving attention, then automatically your heart will be broken. Oh, he did not give attention to me. Coming away. Lakshmi Devi also this types of this. Why Jagannath, my husband did not take with me. And also not giving any message. This is what the Lakshmi Devi says, very angry. Love is there, love creates the Brahma Bhav. But not this material world. Transcendental world, love means automatically Brahma Bhav will come, left wings mode will come. One is called Dakshina Bhav, another is called Brahma Bhav. Brahma Bhav will come. This. Oh, before he loved me, before not now he is giving attention to me. Then your mind would be what? Disturbed. But Gurudev gave an example. When baby cubs staying with the cows. But when that baby cub grew up, and that time cows not giving attention to the cub, because now that baby cub also grew up, he can also chewing the grass, So the simple idea. Understand? Mother also giving the attention her small baby. When that the baby grew up, that time okay, you have to do yourself this. This is the nature of this material world. Otherwise, you will be not to stand on your own leg. On legs you will be what?
The left.
And lap of the mother. Depend. No. You have to, now you are grew up. You are young, youth. So you have to take care of yourself. These are two wrong. Now always you depend on your mother. So your spiritual life will be spoiled. This is true. Spiritual life, not only spiritual, all your also material life also spoiled. You have to do yourself, do this, something this. Now you think your mother will do. Mother, she is getting some pension, or you are getting the pension from your mother, not working. When you are small baby, that time you took. Depend on this. And now you are young, you have to do some work. I said, these are two wrong. No, mamu. I will not work, and you take care for me. This is not. This is not the part. When you grew up, you have to do yourself. Understand this? Western country, this culture is very nice. I like. When you grow up, do work yourself. Indian culture, this is different. Even if you become old, also mothers will be take care her sons and daughters. Oh, you have no money. Okay, I am getting some money from government. Okay, take this also. You understand? This is not good. You do work yourself. You don't do this. Indian people so much attachment with their children. Understand? But Western culture is different. You do work yourself, you do this. Western culture, I'm traveling all over the world. Look, even the small boy throw on the, what is it called? Paper. On the floor. Their mothers will say, you take this and put on the dustbin. Our Western culture, what will Indian they are doing? Mothers will take. Understand? So always is what? Independent. Dependent. No, you should do. This is good or not? So now coming in this way, just I also explain this way. Lakshmi Devi, why she is angry? Because this love is there. Now Jagannath, Krishna, a little bit, what is it called? No. Neutral. You have to do this. And another thing, Lakshmi, this is not qualified to go to Vrindavan Leela. Is qualified or not? Is not qualified. What is he saying?
Bossy, maybe. The adjective you were searching before, maybe bossy, like what, telling what to do.
No, you have to get qualification, then come in Vrindavan. But Lakshmi Devi, she does not want. Get the qualification. Lakshmi chahe, Lakshmi dehe, Ras praveshite. Lakshmi Devi, she wants. I want to enter Rajdan with my Lakshmi fall. But Krishna is saying, Ami Gop Jati. And Gopi Vina Anne Nakari Angikar. The Rashila means this way, you have to take birth in Vrindavan and in the womb of Braj Gopi. Understand? For this regard, listen this way very carefully. Even the wife of the Brahmani, Jagapatini Brahmana, they also left their house and come to Krishna. But Krishna very tricky and returned back to them. Chalo. Eh? Krishna did not take them because Krishna, this is very important. If you want to enter in Rajdans or in Braj, you have to take birth in Braj. Eh? But Lakshmi Devi, she does not want. She is doing hard austerities. Krishna said, okay, do hard austerities, no problem. Understand? Still Lakshmi Devi in Vrindavan, in Belwan, performing hard austerities or not? Eh? Not possible. But Krishna is very merciful, wonderful. Krishna accepts Lakshmi Devi in his residence and in his chest in the form of golden line. Huh? That is called Sri Vatsa Chinna. Actually, Sri means Lakshmi Devi. Who is Bhagavan? That two symptoms. Huh? Understand? What is this? They are the mark of golden line. Huh? That is called Sri Chinna. Sri means Lakshmi Devi. Lakshmi Devi, she resides in the chest of Lord Bhagavan in the form of golden line. She was and Bhigu Lanchita Charan Chinna. Because she Vatsa Charan. That katha is very nice, beautiful. And once all that demigods in heavenly planet, they complain to each others. Who is the best? Because in Golok, what is called heavenly planet, and everybody give respect the three devata. Who is devata? Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva. Three devata. But who is the supreme? Who is the best? Brahmaji saying I am best. Shivji saying I am best. Or Vishnu not saying anything. Well, you accept me or not, no problem. Vishnu always very humble. Lord is very humble. Understand? So then all these munis, they also confused. Who is the best? Who is the supreme? Bhagavan. That in the meantime, Bhigu Rishi appeared. Who appeared? Bhigu Rishi. Then Bhigu Rishi told, okay, I will prove who is Bhagavan. Then Bhigu Rishi, he came in the place of Brahmaji and did not offer any his obeisances, nothing. Just sitting. Then Brahmaji said, hey, Hari, you did not give respect to me. Then Brahmaji very angry. Hari, you do not give respect to your parents. That time, Bhigu Rishi declared, oh, you are not Bhagavan. Because you have Rajaguna, mood of and patience. No? Rajaguna is your mood of patience. You are thinking, I am Srishtikarta, I am the creator. So you are not Bhagavan. Rajaguna is there. Then come in Kailash, also did not pay obeisances to this. Then Shivji become very angry. Hey, stupid nonsense. Don't know, give respect to seniors. Shivji took his trident and tried to kill. Then Bhigu Rishi left their place and told, also you are not Bhagavan. Because your mood is called Tamoguna, mood of ignorance. So that means Brahma is not Bhagavan and Shivji is not Bhagavan. Then come in Vaikuntha. And that time, Lord Vishnu, he was laying down on his bed, very soft bed, that is called Sesna bed. Lord Vishnu sitting and close his eyes. And Lakshmi Devi, she also massaging his feet. Bhrigu Rishi, without knocking the door, enter inside, and then he also stepped his feet on the chest of Lord Vishnu. Then Vishnu, oh my God, who are you? Then saw Bhrigu Rishi there. Look there. And that Lord Vishnu, very humble, he told, hey Bhrigu, my chest is as like thunderbolt. Understand? Vajrakati. Or your feet is very soft. You must feeling some pain in your feet. Then Lord Vishnu also and massage the feet of Bhrigu. Look this. Then Bhrigu Rishi declared, oh, now we Lord Vishnu is Bhagavan. Because he is beyond of Sattva Raja Tama Guna. Hari Nirguna Sakshat Purusha Prakriti Paraha. Who is Bhagavan? He is beyond of Sattva Raja Tama Guna. Hari Nirguna, he is saying it. Hari Nirguna Sakshat Purusha Prakriti Paraha. He is beyond of the material gunas. He is not in Sattva Guna, not in Rajaguna, not Tamaguna. But Lord Vishnu, he nourishment to all the living entities with his Sattva-guna palan. But that guna is not touched to him also. As like lotus floating in the water. But there is a lotus not touched in the water. In the same way, Lord Vishnu, he nourishment to all the living entities with the Sattva Guna, but not involved in Sattva Guna. But Brahmaji, Shivji, they involved with Sattva Guna and Rajaguna and Tamaguna. Why? Pala. Because Brahma Shiv, that is Jiva Tattva. Simple, right? And also they are called also conditioned soul. Actually, Brahmaji is a Jiva Tattva. Let to understand the difference. Brahmaji is called also Jiva Tattva. But so our Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad explained two kinds of Brahma. One is called Vairaj Brahma, or another is called Hiranyagarbha Brahma. Vairaj Brahma, that is called Jiva Tattva. Or Hiranyagarbha Brahma, that is called Vishnu Tattva, Swayam Bhagavan. This is the thing. Because every kalpa very difficult to find out Vairaj Brahma. Means Jiva Tattva can take the position of Brahma. So that time, Lord Vishnu himself takes the charge of Brahma. That Brahma is called Hiranyagarbha Brahma. In the same way, Shiv Tattva also these two ways. And one is called Kailash Shiva, or another is called Sadashiva. Kailash Shiva also, that is called Jiva Tattva. Or Sadashiv, that is Vishnu Tattva. Bhagavad Tattva. So saying this Isar Avishta Jiva. What is it? Isar. Sometimes Lord absorbed with that the Jivas. For that the Jivas, they perform this the activities of Brahma, creation, or to destroy the universe. And this is the thing. So now coming in this way, actually I told you when Bhrigu Rishi, he stepped and in the chest of Lord Vishnu. Then Vishnu very humble. And Lord Vishnu said, okay, I will keep this sign in my heart. So who is Bhagavan? These are symptoms also. On the line of golden light in his chest. Understand? You are Bhagavan or not? So you can see of your own chest. Check. People are saying, I am Bhagavan. Hey, Pagal. You are show your chest. Two things are not. One is called golden line, Lakshmi Devi Sitya. Or another, Bhrigu Lanchit Chinna. Dakkin Ramavali. That is saying in this Lord Vishnu Jina, that is what is called? Footprints are there, as like the band in his Ramavali. Ramavali means here and going this way. Yes, in the chest is here. Here. So saying in this way, Bhigut Lanchita Charan Chennai. Dakhin Ramavali. They are Ramavali when they are there. And right wing should be here. The Shastra saying in this. So who is Bhagavan? Jeev cannot become Bhagavan. Do you think I am Brahma? I am Bhagavan. People are saying, no? Then we say, okay, show your chest. You are Bhagavan or not? It will be nonsense. Brahma, we are saying, I am Brahma. Yesterday I told you, look, people are saying, I am Brahma. Aham Brahmasmi. I am Brahma. Actually, what is the principal meaning of Brahma? Brahma sabde mukkhate kahi Bhagavan. The principal meaning of Brahma, that is called Bhagavan. Or who is Bhagavan? Then also explain, he has 6 opulence. Vaisarja, Samagra, Sabirja, Jasa, Sri, Jnana, Vairagya, Chaiva, Sanna Bhagavad, Itinkana. Who is Bhagavan? He has 6 opulence. Vaisarja. Vast of opulence. Vaisarja. Virja, he is very powerful. He controls everybody. He controls to whom? Millions Brahma. Millions sea worlds. According to his instruction, they are performing their duties. Nishingadev Bhagavan. Brahmaji came. Hey, Brahma. Then Brahmaji. Afraid or not? Papa. Prabhu, afraid. Or Shivji ran away also. Or Shivji would have maybe Lord Nishingadev will chastise to me. All demigod is also. All they afraid, very good. And doing sobs very far away. Understand? Devapalli, you will go Nishingapalli. Devapalli. All demigods are there. And Nishingadev appear in Satyajuga. And then all very far from Lord Nishingadev and doing sobs to him. Understand? And Lord Nishingadev looking. His eyes is as like and thunderbolt, you know? And then looking. Everybody afraid. Look there. Nobody coming in front of Nishingadev. Nishingadev Bhagavan. And looking there. And then we go saying to all demigods told to Lakshmi Devi. Hey, Lakshmi Devi, you go and specify your husband. Then Lakshmi Devi said, oh, man, this time I cannot go. Huh? Lakshmi Devi said, no. Then everybody told, hey, Prahlad, you go. Then Prahlad just coming very close to Nrsimhadev, then Nrsimhadev heart melted. Bhagavad, it's called? Bhakta Vatsal Nrsimhadev Bhagavan ki. Then Nrsimhadev took Prahlad and seated on his left and fatty. And Nrsimhadev heart melted and tears rolling down also. Just couple minutes before, he was very, very aggressive. Ugra Virang Mahavishnu Jalanto Sarvado Mukham Nrsimha Visanam Bhadram Mrittu Namam. Very powerful there, Nrsimha. And now Prahlad Maharaj is coming. Then Nrsimhadev heart completely melted, tears rolling down. Bhakta Vatsal. For their Nrsimhadev is called Bhakta Vatsal. So much parental mood with his devotee. And Nrsimhadev crying, shedding tears, and patting on the back of Prahlad. Bhagavan means this. Everybody also afraid from him. So Aishwarya, Virya, Jasa. Jasa means he has name, fame, reputation everywhere. Sri means beauty. This is what? Main thing also. And Sarup Lakshan. Who is Bhagavan? Is Sarup Lakshan. Sri. That's a Sri. Or Gyan and Vairagya. Gyan, vast of knowledge. Vairagya means detached from the everything. So who is Bhagavan? Check this thing. Vaishwarya, Virya, Jasa, Sri, Gyan, Vairagya, Chaiva, San, Bhava, Itinga. But these six symptoms of Bhagavan. And Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained the Sarup Lakshan of Bhagavan, that is called beauty, Sri. Understand? All the incarnation of Lord, not only Krishna, all the incarnation of Lord, they are very beautiful, attractive. But Krishna's beauty, that is called unique and unparalleled. Understand? Krishna's 4 extraordinary qualifications. What is that? Rupamadhurya, Lilamadhurya, Venumadhurya, and Premamadhurya. The sweetness is unique and unparalleled. Krishna's beauty is unique and unparalleled. Though all the incarnation of Lord, they are very beautiful, this is true. They are also Sachidananda. Their dham also Sachidananda. But Krishna's beauty unique and unparalleled. Kastrangate kalpadam venugitam. Godrija drumo hiranna pulakana vibramam. Sukadeva Goswami Pad told. How is the beautiful form of Krishna? Even though all the incarnation of Lord, they are very eager to take darshan to Govinda. Look at this. How is Leela is going on? Krishna's madhuri dekhi Vasudever kho. Vasudev Krishna in Dwarka. When he look his own form, which form? Vrindavan form. Then Krishna becomes very surprised. What is my beauty? Answer. Very nice, beautiful katha. Sanatana Goswami Pad explained Brihad Bhagavatamrita. And also Rupa Goswami Pad wrote very nice grantha in Grantha, Lalit Madhav Grantha. Once Krishna, he was in Dwarkapuri. In Dwarkapuri, there is a very nice, beautiful one forest that is called Nava Vrindavan. It is called Nava Vrindavan. But that is called artificial Vrindavan. Very nice, beautiful trees. The same Vrindavan is there. but that is called artificial. You know, you can do the artificial. This is not the leaves, no leaves. Huh? Leaves. Huh? Look like mango leaf, but this is not mango leaf. Huh? Understand? Plastic. Like, anyhow, so that is called Nava Vrindavan. And once Krishna, he was going, what is called roaming, roaming in Nava Vrindavan with Madhumangal, and very nice, very Vishwakarma. He also did manifested a very nice, beautiful Nava Vrindavan, and at the same Vrindavan they did. Then Krishna, he was roaming with Madhumangal in that Nava Vrindavan. And when Krishna watching this thing, very nice, beautiful, then Krishna remember and Vrindavan thing, and completely absorbed in this. In the meantime, in the middle of the Vrindavan, so one very nice, beautiful Krishna's Tribhanga Lalit statue, Vigraha. Understand? When Krishna saw this, Krishna asked Madhumangal, "Hey Madhumangal, here who is worship this Vigraha?" Krishna completely absorbed and his tears rolling down. And how is beautiful Krishna's three-band fold. Vrindavan Krishna means here. Always he three-band fold. And keeping flute, peacock, here is called peacock feather, and very nice, beautiful pitambar, garland, banamala, Vajanti mala, very nice, beautiful. Baraha pidang natvarbapu, karna karnikarang, vibrata vaso, kanakavisang, Vajantamalam, Randhanu beno, Radhara Sudaya, Purana Gopavindai, Bindaranang, Sapada Ramanang, Swavisatagiti. And Srimati Radhika recited the verse. How is beautiful Vrindavan Krishna. Kusturi tilakang lalad patali, Bakkastale kustubang nasagre varmuktikang, Karatale venu kare kankanam, Sarvangi hari chandana sudalitam, Kante chamuktavali, Gopostri pariveshtrito vijayate, Gopala chudamani. You learn this verse, very nice. Kusturi tilakang lalad patale, Bakkastale kustubang, Nasagre varmuktikam, Karatale venu kare kankanam, Sarvang hari chandana sulalitam, and Kantech muktavali, or Gopastri pariveshtrito vijayate Gopala chudam. And actually this is called Vrindavan, Gathir Lalita Nayak Krishna. And Kusturi tilakang lalata patali. And Krishna, he puts the tilak on his forehead. Which tilak? Pala.
Musk.
Or Kosturi, no? Kosturi, that's the mark of coming from the deer. The mark. Kosturi tilakang laladu patali, Bakkastale kostubang, kostubmani. Understand? Or Nasagre varmuktikam, in his nose, that is called nose ring. And very nice, beautiful, delightful, and attractive pearls. And look this. And now people also putting on. They are imitating.
Plastic. Plastic here.
Plastic. Understand? But when their nose running, what they are doing?
Big problem. Big problem.
Big problem. Okay. Many also gents, they are also putting, no? Only the young boy, they are doing. Not the gentleman, they are not doing, I think so. Only teenagers, they are doing, I think so. So they are the, okay. Kusturi tilakang lalata patale, Bakkastale kustubang, Nasagre varmuktikam, Karatale venu, in the hand, always venu. है, करते वेणु और करे कंकणम है, ब्लस वेरी नाइस ब्यूटीफुल है, करे कंकणम और सर्वांगे हरिचंदन सुललितम, हरिचंदन है, वेरी नाइस ब्यूटीफुल। और देन कंठे च मुक्तावली है, वेरी नाइस ब्यूटीफुल pearls है, that around his कंठे च मुक्तावली और गोप स्त्री परिवेष्टितो विजयते गोपाल चूड़ामणि। कृष्ण always stay with her, his very nice dear Sri Radha Lalita Vishakha है, रूपमंजरी मंदिर देवी। Understand? Because Krishna is called Dhir Lalita Nayak. Who is Dhir Lalita Nayak? He has 4 extraordinary qualifications. I will do know his will only. Presi Basibhuta. First, he completely was controlled by his consort, Srimati Radhika. Srimati, hey Krishna. Do this. Sit down. Stand up. Because Srimati Radhika prem is very strong. And especially Brahma Bhav. Brahma Bhav, understand? Left wind's mode. Brahma Bhav, that is called as like the gourd and ankush. One small boy can't control the big elephant with the gourd. Put in the ear, under the ear, then big elephant also. Then say. Otherwise, you cannot control the elephant. So Krishna, he is as like mad elephant. So who can control to Krishna? Only Srimati Radhika. Well, how Srimati Radhika is controlled to Krishna? Now with her, this is Brahma Bhav. And Parakya Bhav means Brahmata. This is a very powerful weapon. That is called Ankush, Premankush. This one. Ankush means good. Hey Krishna, sit down. Not only this also. Srimati Radhika just with her sidelong glance, romantic sidelong glance. When Srimati Radhika became angry, then her sidelong glance. Then Krishna's body start to say, Venu karannita paditam, brashtancha pita vasanam. Then Krishna's fruit automatically are falling down. When Srimati Radhika very angry and with her romantic sidelong going towards Krishna, then Krishna's body start to say, Venu karannita paditam, brashtancha pita vasanam. Then Krishna's yellow garments and the yellow garment also and then Krishna and completely fainted. So saying the Venu Karanita Padidam Prashtancha Pita Vasanam. So now coming in this way. Dhir Lalita Nayak. There is 4 qualifications. First, there is called Prayasi Basibhuta. Krishna completely controlled with his consort, and especially Srimati Radhika. She controlled to Krishna. Second, Nischintata. And Krishna within is completely calm and quiet. Because Krishna has no duty and responsibility. If you have duty responsibility, then you have headache or not. And who will cook? What will cook? Who will worship Thakurji? Many headache or not? What will cook? What will not cook? How will coming money from the As a chin, this is coming or not? Electric bill, this bill, many bills also. You have to- Huh? Or you are simple brahmachari? Understand? Doing little bit service, then Durvindo Das.
No,
Huh?
no headache.
No headache. No tension or no pension. You understand? No tension or no pension. Good or not? So Krishna is called Nischinta. He is completely free from all kinds of duty and responsibility. Because he is called the son of Nanda Maharaj. In Braj, Nanda Maharaj is called king. His many duty and responsibility. Or Krishna, son of understand? Son is not thinking, where is the money will come, but he's saying, Papa, I want this, I want this. And the father is saying, I have no money, still I will not get the salary. But son is saying, Papa, I want this computer, not good. Give me another computer. This phone, cell phone, iPhone, this phone. Understand? So in the same way, Krishna is called Brajaraj or Suno. He is son of Nanda Maharaj. No duty and responsibility. Look at this. So first is called Prayasi Vasibhuta, Nischintata, Parihas Patu. Is very expertise. To speaking, laughing and joking, how to conquer the heart of the gopis. Very sweet words Krishna speaks. Even from his childhood also, what will say to the and youth. And one day I told a very nice, beautiful story. And when Krishna was a small boy, maybe 2 and 3 years old, then he came in the house of Brijavasi. Just briefly I tell you, that is Vatsalara. Then Gopi, he was stealing the butter. Then that Gopi said, caught, then handed to Krishna. Because Krishna took the butter, it took hand inside the butter pot. Then Gopi caught his hand. So your mother don't believe you are coming to my house and stealing butter. Then Krishna told, this is your house. Well, yes. Krishna told, this is my house. Krishna is saying the tattva doesn't philosophy, because everything belongs to me. And Ishavasya sarvamidam jatkincham jagat jagat. Tena takta bhunjito magrita kasya siddhanam. Everything belongs to Krishna now. So Krishna is saying this philosophy also. And this is not your house, this is my house. But Gopi said, no, this is my house. Okay, your house now, yes. So why did you stealing butter from my house? Then baby Krishna told, no, I am not stealing. What you do? My one baby cup ran away. So I am chasing behind the baby cup. Then, then I saw my baby cup enter in your room, house. Then I saw the baby cup jumped in this butter pot. Gopi laughed. Well, how possible? Well, yes, my baby cup inside the butter pot. Well, why did that? Then Krishna, and with his hands more and more churning the butter with his own hand, and then he find out one small toy, baby cup toy. You understand? Gopi laughed. Well, I am searching. Then Gopi said, okay, You are a great liar. Huh? Okay. Your mother, she does not believe you are coming my house and stealing butter. So I will bind your hand around this pillar. So you cannot run. Look at this. Krishna's words is very sweet and attractive, charming also. Everybody completely was intoxicated. So Gopis is a go, I will bind you around this pillar. Krishna, no, bind to me. But no, I bind you and also bring your mother is here. Look, because steal butter in your hand. So your mother can see and believe. And also my butter pot is here, everything you wasted, everything. Then Krishna is saying, oh God, what to do now? Then Gopi try to bind to Krishna with the rope, small rope. But Krishna is Bhagavan or not? Bhagavatta is inside always. Understand it? So Krishna did very nice, beautiful lila this way. Gopi again and again try to bind to Krishna with the rope. Straight. But every time also shortage. Not to bind. Then maybe 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, Gopi could not bind to Krishna. Then Krishna told, Are Gopis, you don't know how to bind. You did not learn anything. I learned from my mother Jasoda. Because once my mother Jasoda, she also bind me, the Mandalila. So I know these things. How to bind. First you learn from me. Then you can bind me. This is simple. The sweet version, Krishna's words very charming. And eloquent, everyone. Then Gopi is thinking, okay, so I can learn. So you can bind. Well, yes, I teach you how to make the notes. Then Gopi told, okay, you also teach to me. Then okay, Krishna told, okay, you also embrace this pillar. And the same rope I will bind to you. You can see how to bind. Gopi is thinking, okay, so I learn from you. You can learn from everybody.